Ayaw na ako turuan, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
We make cabbage with Hannah. And we count the numbers. 1 to 10. 1 to 20 or 1 to 10?
1 to
10. 1 to 10 first.
No, 1 to 11.
1 to 11? Only 1 to 10.
Why?
And then next is 1 to 20. Okay?
No, let's.
Hannah is count 1 to 10 into English. And me is count 1 to 10 into Cantonese. Okay, guys? Please watch. Okay, start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Why so fast?
I count 10 already.
Okay, me. Yap, yi, sam, si, lok, chat, pat, cow, sap. Wow! Perfect! We are perfect. And now is 1 to 20.
1 to 11.
1 to 20, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's count 1 to 20. First, Hannah.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Slowly.
5, 6, 7.
Slowly. Again. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14,
wrong.
13, 15,
Wrong.
15, 17,
No.
18,
No. 13 is next. 14 and then 13,
13, 15,
4,
14,
5,
15, 17,
6,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. Yay! And then next is okay, me. Okay. Yat, yi, sam, si, lok, chat, bat, gao, sap. Sap yi, sap. Sap yat, sap si, sap.
No, wrong again.
Okay. Sap yi.
No, I tell you that. Wow. Yat, yi, sam, si, lok, chat, bat, cow, sap. Sap yat, sap si. And wrong. Again. Yat, yi, sam, si, lok, chat, bat, cow, sap. Sap yi, sap yat. No. Okay, you do by myself.
Okay, sap yat, sap si, sap yat, sap ye. Sap yat, it's right. Sap ye, sap sap.
You're wrong.
Okay, sap ye.
I will share you why do homework.
Pag-aralan ko muna guys ang 1 to 20 because only 10 lang ang alam ko. Bye!
No, not.
I will teach you how to count in Filipino numbers. Like 1, 2, ay, no. Mali. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, no, anim. Anim. Oh. Pito. Pito. Walo. Siyam. Sampu. Okay. Yo, start.
Okay. Isa, dalawa, apat,
Three. Tatlo.
apat,
Malim.